In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with card on Remitly. If you want to use a debit card as your payment method in Remitly, the process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you already have a Remitly account set up and that you're signed in to the app or website. It also helps to have your debit card with you so you can enter the details carefully and accurately. Once you're inside your Remitly account, go ahead and open the main account area. From there, look for the Manage section. This is where Remitly lets you control important account settings, including how you want to pay for your transfers. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before moving on, since this will help you avoid changing the wrong setting. After that, click on Payment Method. This area shows the payment options connected to your account and allows you to add a new one if needed. If you haven't added a card before, this section may be empty, or it may already show another payment method you've used in the past. Next, click Add Payment Method. This will open the available options for adding a new way to pay. When the list appears, select Card. Choosing this option tells Remitly that you want to use a debit card for your payments. Now, enter your debit card details in the required fields. Make sure everything is typed exactly as it appears on your card. Accuracy is very important here because even a small mistake, such as a wrong number or expiration date, can cause the payment method to be rejected. Take your time when entering the card number, expiration date, and any other requested card information. If the billing details are requested, be sure they match the information linked to your card. Before you finish, quickly review everything once more. This extra check can save you time and prevent errors later when you try to send money. Once your details are entered correctly, your card should be added as a payment method in Remitly, and you'll be able to use it for future transfers. That's all you need to do. If this is your first time setting up a card, just move slowly, double-check the details, and make sure your debit card is active and valid. After that, you should be ready to pay with card on Remitly smoothly and securely.